guys, welcome back to my channel. So if it is your first time watching, please stay, then go subscribe, join the family. I'd like to say thank you so much for my return subscriber. Thank you guys, I love you guys a bunch. Thanks for the support. So today's video, I'm super excited. I'm gonna give you guys a first look into this amazing new product from Drunk Elephant. This is the new makeup remove and cleanse balm. I'm gonna show you guys how this cute little kit came. Pull back your hair. So here you have a cute little Drunk Elephant headband slash scrunchie. You have a candle. This candle smells so delicious, amazing. And then here you have the cleansing balm. I'm gonna go ahead and open all of them so we can. Okay, so first thing is Drunk Elephant cute little logo here on this headband. So let's try it on. So hair is out of our face. Be ready to roll. So step number 2 is light up your delicious candle, and this candle is so cute. That's how the candle look like. I'm gonna open so you guys can see. So this candle, it smells so delicious, guys. Number 2, light up the mood. This smells so delicious. Cleansing balm that I'm so excited. That's how it comes in the top here. I'm gonna come close so you guys can see better. So this is the little box here, and this is how the container comes. And I have the little spatula here, or a spoon, whatever you want to call. I used last night, and I was going to film for you guys, but it was so late when I got home, and I just took my makeup off and jumped in bed. I was so tired. So today we try for the second time. Let's show you guys what the product will look like. That's what it looks like, and it smells really good. It smells, you just put it on the top of your little jar and stay there. So let's do this. So what it smells fresh. And so what they say they should do is you're supposed to massage on your skin for remove makeup. I should have took my lashes first, but we do this in 1 minute. So what you do is massage into your skin, and then you add water for activate it later. First I just wanted to add to my whole face. I don't know why, but I got a little pimple here on my nose, very tiny. I don't know why, I never get pink, so. Yes, and I'm gonna remove my Moxie lashes. Yes, girl. This lash is a lifesaver, and I've been using all day. Just like that. I'll clean you guys later. Safe in the little house. Alright, so now that I took my my eyelashes off, I'm just gonna get a little extra piece, and this I'm gonna add to my eyes, to my eyeshadow and mascara and everything else. Okay. Ah, my god, everything is melting away, girl. Stop it. So now let's go wash these off, and let's clean this mess up. Guys, I'm blown away how fast my mascara and my eyeliner can melt, and my eyebrows too. And just like that, guys, my face is makeup free, all cleaned. So now I'm just gonna go in and add a little bit of my Drunk Elephant marula oil, who is fabulous, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of my serum that is fabulous too. The drill, I am gonna go sit under my facial lights for a minute. Alright, now I'm just gonna add a little bit of eye cream. So for eye cream, I'm gonna be using this Drunk Elephant C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. Love this eye cream, girl. I love this. I'm a ride or die. This is my everyday morning and evening eye cream. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of my peptide cream from Drunk Elephant. This is the Puccini polypeptide cream. I love this cream. This cream, it's like a jolt of protein for you. Anything else that's left on my hand, I just rub on the palm on the back of my hands. Hands need love too. Alright, so now that my skin is all clean, makeup removed, skin clean and moisturized, so I'm just gonna go in and lay it on my light therapy mask for 30 minutes, right? Yeah, a little bit, just a little treatment I'm doing in the morning and the evening. So let's see what the come out's gonna be. I will keep you guys updated on that. Hey guys, so I forgot to mention when I was using the Slaai makeup melting butter cleansing from Drunk Elephant, I forgot to mention that with the Slaai come this tiny little bottle here, and in this little bottle you have a bamboo booster exfoliant physic. So I forgot to mention, but this is actually a physical exfoliant, and it's a little powder, try to show you guys. Oh, yeah, that's what it look like. What you can do is you actually can mix this exfoliant with your Slaai, and once or twice a week, just give yourself a good exfoliation. So it should work perfect with this. So yeah, so I didn't try this time, but I will update you guys on this little guy with the Slaai, how it works. And I bet it's gonna work wonder, because I really like the way the little grains of the bamboo looks, and I love a fine exfoliator. It just works better for cleaning the pores, you know, just I like it. So I will give you guys a little update on this. Alright guys, so this is it for this Slaai makeup melting butter cleanser. This is fabulous. You guys saw how it performed, and I swear I removed the mascara and the eyeliner that I had with the magnetic liner. Normally it's a little harder to come out, and this melt away with no time. Both of my eyes was melting no time. So yeah, did a fabulous job. I'm very excited about this product. I love makeup remover cleansing balm because, you know, it just not so harsh on your skin like the regular makeup remover. So you clean your skin, but you also moisturizing and, you know, deep clean your pores. So yeah, I'm very excited for this. So let's slay. So I will link the link below for this product on the description of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If it is your first time watching, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.